Happy weekend, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good. And thank you all that popped into my stream with Ian tonight. Much love and support to everyone that came in, especially Raven. She needs lots of love and support. And I'm out here hanging out with Christopher. Christopher, the little daredevil. The little daredevil. Yeah. So I hope everyone is having a great Friday night. What's left of it, for those that are still on Friday. For where I am, it's Saturday. And let's see what Mr. Christopher is going to get into here. Christopher. Christopher. Oh, let's keep this. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. What's up, buddy? Oh, what's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Alright. We'll hang out here with him for a few minutes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. In the grass. The dead grass. What was that? So Mommy's down there. Probably going to catch some frogs. He's just having fun, just sitting here, jumping in his little pile that he likes. Yeah. He loves this little pile over here. This is like his little hangout. Hey. What's up, little boy, little boy? What you doing? What you doing, old man? We love you, Christopher. What's Christopher doing? What's Christopher doing? So new people that are starting to follow my page, please understand I have 5 indoor fur babies. Christopher is somewhat still has feral cat instincts. His mama cat's a feral. And I just can't risk my indoor fur babies. Otherwise I would have taken him in already. And all my shelters and veterinarians in my area are full to the max. And I'm doing everything I can for him. He did have an infection in his one eye. And I did all kinds of natural remedies that was suggested to me by good friends and family off of YouTube of what to use for him. And I helped him tremendously. So, he's a growing little boy. Unfortunately, if he went to the shelter, that he'd most likely be euthanized. Unfortunately. So he's pretty much better off where he is right now, where he is here with me. He's safe. He knows the safe zones for the most part. His mama cat didn't think he was safe. She would have never brought him here. He does trust me to a degree. He has his moments, like anybody, like anything else, with trust issues. Hi, Chris. Hi, Christopher. So, yes, I know you think you're so adorable. You're so adorable. How can we not love you? How can we not love you? How can we not love you? How can we not love you, huh? You little monkey. Where you going? Where you going? What are you doing? So, I'm going to be ending this video. I'm going to try to get some pictures of him if I can. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your Friday. And I will see everyone tomorrow. I'll be live at some point tomorrow. And I will be doing a stream just basically for watch hours on the overnight tonight. And then I'll be doing another one when I get up tomorrow, as I'm doing things around my house. So stay tuned for more videos of Christopher, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Much love, positive vibes, support, and prayers, please, to Raven. Thank you much, guys. Have a great one.